Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best hard water test kit is probably one of the most essential tools for homeowners looking to understand and manage the water quality in their homes, especially if you're experiencing issues like soap scum buildup, dry skin, or dull laundry, as these can all be indicators of high mineral content in your water supply. And knowing your water's hardness level is the first step towards finding effective solutions and protecting your plumbing and appliances from the damaging effects of mineral deposits. Number 5. Watersafe Original Water Testing Kit. Introducing the Watersafe Original Water Testing Kit, your comprehensive solution for ensuring the purity of your drinking water. It's designed for both tap and well water, offering peace of mind right at home. This kit detects 9 key contaminants, including dangerous ones like lead and bacteria, as well as iron, copper, chlorine, and nitrates. It provides a thorough analysis of your water's quality. Enjoy the convenience of getting lab-accurate results without the hassle or expense of sending samples to a lab. It's a simple, at-home solution for testing your drinking water. Our proprietary technology is advanced enough to detect even low levels of contaminants. It can identify lead at 5 ppb and bacteria at 1 bacteria ml, offering superior sensitivity. Save money with this budget-friendly testing option. It eliminates the need for costly lab tests and shipping fees, making water quality testing accessible to everyone. Join universities, governments, and researchers globally who trust Watersafe for their water testing needs. It's a reliable choice for accurate and dependable results. What we like. This kit offers comprehensive testing for up to 9 key contaminants, including highly sensitive detection for lead and bacteria. If you are looking for a reliable at-home test that provides lab-accurate results without the high cost, this is an excellent choice for ensuring your drinking water, whether from a tap or well, is safe. What people say. This kit is very easy to use and provides accurate results. The instructions are clear and the test strips are simple to interpret. I was able to quickly determine the hardness of my water and take appropriate action. Number 4. Varify 17-in-1 Complete Drinking Water Test Kit. Discover the complete picture of your drinking water's quality. Our kit tests for 17 essential parameters, including lead, bacteria, and chlorine, giving you a full understanding of what's in your water. Experience precision and reliability with our professional-grade test strips. Each component is crafted with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring a dependable and thorough analysis every time. Testing your water has never been easier. Our color-coded strips provide quick and precise results in just minutes, making complex water quality assessments simple to understand. Get accurate results with our 100 test strips, individually sealed for maximum freshness. Plus, 2 bacteria tests deliver reliable insights within 48 hours, ensuring a thorough safety check. Feel confident about your water and make a difference. A portion of your purchase supports Water for Good, helping to fight water poverty and bring clean water to communities in need. What we like. With 17 essential parameters tested, this kit provides an incredibly thorough analysis of your drinking water. If you want the most complete picture of your water quality, including bacteria and lead, and you also want to contribute to a global cause with your purchase, this is the kit for you. What people say. The strips are super simple to read, and a color chart makes it easy to match up the results without feeling like you need a science degree. Everything was super quick: dip the strip, wait a minute, match the colors. The bacteria test is also easy, just takes longer, 48 hours, but it's nice having that extra peace of mind. The kit comes with 100 strips and they're packaged in smaller sealed packs so they stay fresh. Number 3. Varify 7-in-1 Pool and Spa Test Strips. Simplify your pool and spa maintenance with our versatile test strips. They monitor 7 essential water quality parameters, ensuring your water remains pristine and safe for everyone. Testing your water has never been easier. Simply dip a strip for instant results and compare the easy-to-read, waterproof color chart to accurately assess your water quality. Get accurate and reliable results in under 30 seconds. Our rapid testing solution allows you to quickly gauge the health of your pool or spa water without compromising on quality. Enjoy prolonged freshness and accuracy with our innovative packaging. Each kit includes 100 strips in separately sealed pouches, preserving their effectiveness for precise results, use after use. By using our test strips, you not only maintain safe and clear water but also support water for good. Your purchase contributes to clean water projects in Central Africa. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for pool and spa owners, testing for 7 crucial parameters like chlorine, pH, and hardness. If you need quick, easy-to-read results in under 30 seconds to maintain your swimming pool or hot tub, this is the ideal solution for you. What people say. The kit is very easy to use and provides accurate results. I was impressed with how quickly I received the results from the lab. The instructions were clear and the testing process was straightforward. Number 2. AAwipes 8-in-1 Aquarium Test Kit. Introducing the AAwipes 8-in-1 Aquarium Test Kit, your solution for quick and accurate water testing. It's designed for fish enthusiasts and provides professional quality results. This kit tests for 8 essential parameters including pH, ammonia, alkalinity, hardness, chlorine, and more. It helps you identify potential issues before they harm your fish. It's perfect for freshwater aquariums, saltwater tanks, ponds, and even shrimp tanks. Ensure optimal water quality wherever you keep your aquatic life. Get accurate results in just minutes. Simply dip, wait, and compare the colors to the chart for up to 99% accuracy. Test your aquarium water conveniently at home without the need for lab samples. Save time and money while ensuring a safe environment for your fish. The test strips are packaged in a well-sealed bottle for an extended shelf life. You can rely on them to be effective whenever you need them. What we like. This kit is tailored for aquarium and pond enthusiasts, testing for 8 key parameters vital for aquatic life, including ammonia and nitrates. If you are a fish keeper looking to prevent hidden water problems and ensure the health and safety of your aquatic pets, this is the perfect tool for regular monitoring. What people say. The test strips are easy to use, just dip, wait, and compare to the color chart. The results are clear and straightforward to read. It also comes with a generous amount of strips, and it has lasted me for months with regular testing. Came in clutch when I was having some issues with my turtle and fish tanks. Easy readings that seem to be pretty accurate in maintaining tank health. Since they separated the ammonia test into its own pouch, the readings have been incredibly accurate. No more cross-instruction like with other strips. Just peel off that foil seal, grab the silver pouch inside, and you'll see the difference. Number 1. AQUAX Total Water Hardness Test Kit. Introducing the AQUAX Total Water Hardness Test Kit. It's designed for simplicity, accuracy, and reliability in testing water quality. Our kit uses an easy drop-and-see method. Get accurate results in seconds without complicated color charts or extra tools. Perfect for pools, spas, aquariums, and even drinking water. It helps you understand your water's quality and optimize water softener efficiency. Each kit provides enough solution for multiple tests. This ensures you can monitor your water hardness consistently over time. We utilize the trusted titrometric method for precise measurements. You can even calculate available calcium bicarbonate for a deeper understanding of your water. With clear, easy-to-follow instructions included, anyone can perform these tests. Achieve reliable results with minimal effort. What we like. This kit focuses solely on accurately measuring total water hardness, using a simple drop-and-see method for reliable results in seconds. If your primary concern is understanding and managing water hardness for applications like pools, aquariums, or improving water softener efficiency, this straightforward and reliable test is your best bet. What people say. This kit is very easy to use and provides accurate results. The instructions are clear and the test strips are simple to interpret. It helped me understand the hardness level of my water and choose the right water softener. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.